In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Asana. Whether you're new to Asana or a seasoned user looking for a quick refresher, I'm here to guide you through the simple steps to ensure your Asana workspace is up to date and running smoothly. Let's begin by navigating to Asana. Once you're logged in, you'll arrive at your Asana homepage, where you can see all your projects and tasks laid out before you. This is your central hub for staying on top of everything you and your team are working on. Now, you might notice that Asana doesn't come with a dedicated refresh button. So you might wonder, how exactly do you ensure that everything you're looking at is the most current version? Here's the straightforward way to refresh Asana. While you're on your homepage, simply right-click anywhere within the Asana interface. This will bring up a context menu with several options. What you're looking for is the option that says Reload. Clicking on this will refresh the app. It updates any changes that have been made, either by you or your team members, ensuring you're always seeing the latest information. Now, for those of you who might prefer using keyboard shortcuts or just a faster method, there's another way to refresh. Look for the Reload icon in your browser, which typically resembles a circular arrow. Clicking this icon will do the same thing as the menu option, refreshing your page and making sure you're viewing the most current version of your projects and tasks. Refreshing your Asana workspace with these simple steps ensures that any updates from your coworkers or any changes you've made elsewhere are reflected instantly. This helps maintain accuracy and keeps everyone on the same page. By doing this, you are essentially enhancing your team's workflow and overall productivity. It might seem like a small task, but staying up to date is crucial in a dynamic work environment where tasks and timelines are constantly evolving. And there you have it, our quick guide on refreshing Asana. Remember, keeping your workspace up to date is essential for seamless collaboration. It's one of those little habits that can make a big difference in your day-to-day operations. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. We're always here to provide you with the tools and tips you need to become more efficient and organized. Thanks for watching, and here's to happy organizing with Asana.